Welcome to a detailed look at the My Info page in the myFSU portal. On the left side of the page, you'll find the Account Information Portlet. This is the same information block from the home page, but with additional actions you can take. From here, you can get support for your account, update your Duo settings, change your password, edit your security challenge questions, or sign out of the portal. Below that is the Emergency Contact section. To change the name or contact number for your emergency contact, select the Edit button. This action will take you to Campus Solutions to make your updates. In the center of the page, the My Information Portlet displays your current home and mailing address, preferred phone number, and email. To make adjustments to this information, select the Edit button at the top of the section. This will open the Campus Solutions environment where you can update your personal details. Further down is the Delegate Information Portlet. This is where you can set up one or more delegates, such as a parent or guardian, to access specific parts of your student account. For each delegate you have set up, you can click their name to get details and a list of the specific areas they have access to, such as your class schedule or financial information. To edit, add, or remove a delegate and their permissions, select the Edit button, which will take you to Campus Solutions.